Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we analyze the cryptocurrency markets. Jay here with you guys today. This is not official financial advice. Immediately we go into today's content. The Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys, currently at neutral, right at that 53 level, guys. That's key. I mean, as you guys already know, Ethereum is usually the leading altcoin, number 2 in the world, and as Ethereum goes, usually the rest of the altcoins follows, guys. So it's important to understand, the fear and greed index, where the market sentiment stands today, and as of right now it's neutral at 53. We'll definitely keep you guys informed, in our other episodes as well. In the meantime, guys, we do have Ethereum here. Let's do some TA for you guys here. We do see that we're in a wedge pattern, wedge formation here, where most likely we can trade within this pattern and then make a decision. Either go up to test this point of confluence at around $1,786 in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks, or where we can break down. And also, if we break this trend line, well, we can test this trend line, as support first. And then if it breaks down, then the next level of support would be around that $1,325. Guys, let's actually go ahead. Editing done live and cheap right here is $1,320. That could be the next stop, for Ethereum if decides to break down from the wedge formation, and also if it decides to break down from the trend line here as well, which has actually been holding as support, for the past week. So that's good. That's key. I mean, again, Ethereum is right now $1,585, green bullish positive candle for the day. Not too much movement. Yesterday we had, a $100+ move towards the downside, and then the previous day we had a $100+ move towards the upside. So, a lot of volatility the last couple of days, but today not a lot of movement. We do have a little bit of a sell wick here, but not too much going on with Ethereum. I mean, we do see that the indicators have heavily reset towards the downside, as we can see here, and price has been going up with higher lows. Here we have lower highs and lower lows. Here we have higher lows and higher, lower highs as well. The wedge formation, wedge pattern here, but there's divergence here, between the indicator, the RSI, and price action. So usually that's when also price then follows the indicator, resets a little bit, a pullback before possibly continuing, the uptrend, or if not, then continue to break down, guys. So, same with the stochastic RSI, we lost momentum here as well, but price has been going up. So we have to wait and see if the indicators reset before, the next pump, or if we're going to break down from these levels. We have to keep our eyes out on Ethereum for the next couple of days. We do follow up the follow-up chart to the previous one is the total market cap for altcoins. The altcoin crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, obviously. We do see that we had this upswing right here, and then we entered this wedge formation as well for this chart as well. We broke this trend line that we had for, essentially since August 2022. We broke it towards the upside, confirmed it as support, and now we're in this wedge pattern where, again, we're going to probably trade in this range, for the next couple of days, and then we'll have to make a decision. We're going to either go up, to test the previous local highs, which, again, editing done live and cheap, guys. This would be the next key factor, and then this one would be the next, resistance. So, the first stop would be right here at around $616 billion. And then if that, breaks towards the upside, the next one would be that $700 billion market cap for altcoins. That would be massive. That would be a continuation of this, you could say altcoin season. So we have right into spring. We have to wait and see. Or, we could break down, retest the trending line here. And if that doesn't hold, then, maybe come back down here, retest these lows, before possibly bottoming out and then continuing into the bull cycle, guys. So that's what we're seeing right now with these charts. You know what I mean? Altcoins have been remaining strong, with regards to price action going up in USD value, but Bitcoin has been dominating the markets, as we saw in our previous Bitcoin climate episode, guys. And then we have the DXY not showing a lot of volatility, not showing a lot of moves. It's just it broke down the key support, and now it's just consolidating sideways, trying to recover here a little bit, but not too much action for the Dixie, the dollar index. Just you know, chilling McMillan right here, basically, essentially. And we're just waiting to see if it's going to make a decision to break the lows, you know, once again and continue towards the next support level, or if we're going to reclaim the previous resistance as well, right up here, and then maybe start an uptrend for the short term as well. We'll keep an eye out, eye out for the DXY as well, and we'll definitely provide you guys an update in our next Crypto Climate episode as well. Guys, if you enjoy this type of informative content, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done so already, just click here, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press informative videos. And then we also have educational videos, guys, for free. Link in the description down below. Just a click away. Get a pen or paper or a pencil, and just dig in. We have full educational presentations here, all for free for our wonderful community, guys. And then moving on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies apart or excluding Bitcoin, basically the top 5 altcoins and their performance for the last 7 days. We start immediately with Ethereum at $1,586, up 1.55%. Number 2, BNB at $312, up 3.73%. Number 3, XRP, the scam, you already know, at 40 cents a pop, down 0.39%. Then number 4, we have Cardano at 38, almost 39 cents, up 7.85%. And then we have the Dogecoin cracking that 9 cents barrier once again at 9.5 cents, almost 10 cents, up 12.85%, guys. So the top 5 altcoins in the world looking green for the week, guys. Then we move on to the top 5 best performers. In the last 7 days, we start with Didix, currently at around $3.25, up 110% in a week. Man, must be nice. Number 2, Mina at 84 cents, up 50%. Man, beautiful percentage increase here. Number 3, Phantom at 54 cents, up 43%. Number 4, Aptos at $16.87, up 40%. And then number 5, the OG coin Dash at around $60 a pop, up 21.55% in the week. Then we move to the top 5 worst performing assets for the past week, guys. We start immediately with Lido DAO at $2.20, up 6.45. I'm down 6.45%. Number 2, Flow, the swag coin, at about a buck and a nickel a pop, down 1.32%. Then we have actually Kava at 95 cents, almost a dollar, down 11.34%. And then we have Chili's, the restaurant coin, at around 13.2 cents, down 0.66%. And then number 5, Bit down at 52 cents, down 8% for the week. Guys, if you enjoy this content, don't forget, to check out our website. Great tools and resources there. Link in the description down below. Don't forget also to like the video. It helps the algorithm, for other people to find our channel and educate themselves with regards to cryptocurrency. And don't forget to subscribe. Just a click away. You can subscribe right here. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. And I definitely hope you guys have a good one.